Interstate Overpass Set assembly. These are the letters assigned to each overpass piece. Put together each side's entrance and exit ramp. There should be 5 pieces on each side. Put together L and K for each side of the overpass. Piece K has 2 slots that slide over rails on piece L. Put together parts L and J. Repeat J, K, and L assembly steps for the other side of the overpass. Use piece M to connect each J, K, and L sets together. This will complete the middle interstate overpass road. Connect piece A to piece B, and then the entire side will connect to the middle interstate overpass. Connect the remaining side. Now your overpass with entrance and exit ramps is fully assembled. Check out M86 Toys.com for more compatible Matchbox action driver and Hot Wheels City accessories.